this occasion, I would like to present about this our segment 2 weeks ago in meeting 6 about the articles of lubricating oil. So there is the time we got 3 articles from internet from Mrs. Dia. So I decided to choose one of them for my assignment. So this number one is title and researches worldwide analysis of import vessel operational lubricant discharges and leakages. And question number two is background of the study. So I will explain as much as I can. This study focuses on operational discharges of lubricant oils within ports and harbors, including discharges that occur during transit within the harbor or port and while moored at docks. The study excludes inputs that occur en route or on the open ocean, since the monitoring and recording of small discharges at sea is relatively poor, making any data analysis on these types of inputs extremely inaccurate. The study also only includes the leakage and operational discharge of these lubricants in their application and use in marine shipping, on the ships themselves as stern tube lubricants, gear lubricants, etc. It specifically excludes accidental spills from vessels during a collision, for example, or spills of stored lubricant oils at shore-based facilities or the transport of these lubricants as cargo by tank ships, tank barges, railroad, or tanker truck, or inputs from land-based lubricants using similar machinery, cranes, as those considered on vessel. Spills are defined as discrete events in which oil is released accidentally or occasionally intentionally through dumping or vandalism over the course of a relatively short amount of time. Spillage can occur during transfer and refilling lubricating oil fish as a result of accidents such as collisions, elisions, or groundings, or there is a significant structural damage to the vessel. Question number three, aim or objectives. This study focused on many inputs of lubricant oils within the 4,708 ports and harbors of the world through stern tube leakage and operational discharges in marine shipping. The study results indicate that overall, the results indicate that each year in over 1.7 million vessel port visits, 4.6 to 28.6 million liters of lubricating oil leaks from the stern tubes, and 32.3 million liters of oil is input to marine waters from other operational discharges and leaks. Question number 4. Sporting theories. There are no completely reliable estimates or methodologies for estimation of stern tube leakage. Clearly, stern tube leakage varies by vessel type, condition, age, and maintenance. Based on on-site inspections, leakage rates are observed to vary with the vessel age, especially for stern tube is older vessels that have been damaged by ropes or fishing nets and for which maintenance may be a lower priority. There are anecdotal reports of newer vessels rarely requiring stern tube lubricant top-off. Theoretically, with a closed stern tube system there should be no leakage, but observations indicate that there is rarely a perfectly sealed system, and that there is always some small amount of leakage. It is also not uncommon for older vessels to require 5 to 10 liters per day. Uh, Questions number 4. Instruments. For deck masonry, short discharges, bulk carriers, and container ship had the highest input. Hydraulic deck masonry was the largest source of lubricating oil discharge. For in water, masonry source discharges roll on, roll off cargo, roll off passenger or cargo, and general cargo ship had the highest input rates. Stern thruster were the largest input surge across all vessel types. 6. Conclusion or research. This study focused on marine inputs or lubricant oil within the 4,708 ports and harbor of the world through spillage, transoup leakage, and operational discharges in marine shipping. Overall, the research indicated that each year in over 1.7 million vessel port visits an estimate 4.6 to 28.6 million liters of lubricating oil leaks from stern tube and 32.3 million liters for oil from other operational discharges and leaks. Total annual inputs of lubricating oil worldwide from stern tube leakage and other operational discharges into port waters is estimated to be between 37 million to nearly 61 million liters. The analysis the analysis focuses on discharges in and near ports and harbors and does not specifically estimate the amount of lubricating oil that is discharged in shipping lanes and on the open sea during transit. The rate of discharge during transit may, however, be inferred from the rate at which vessels discharge while in port. Since vessels generally spend more time in transit than in port, the actual level of discharge worldwide may be several times what is estimated for ports and harbors. Thus, the estimate for ports and harbors represent a very conservative estimate of the global lubricant pollution problem. So, thank you so much. Only this, what can I explain for this good opportunity? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.